Devauna Mum. Devauna Mum.
Oh, hey, morning, Mum.
Morning, father. Oh man, could never find a breath smell like that. But kiss me granata very.
Alright, workout time now. Workout time. We have to get rid of this gut, this belly. Cause too much brandy, rum, ackee and saltfish. So, I have to get rid of this belly.
You saying now? Workout conditions, yeah? Okay. You know what? Him as a big time boxer. Get me, man.
So I can train you, get me.
Under these conditions. Oh man.
What you got now? What was you though, Mum? Every time I walk in, she walks up. So good though. Come out and just train by myself, get me? I just train by myself. Then I'll get strong enough to me.
How to get rid of very bad
Yeah, Mum.
breath. Did you call me? Cause I thought I heard you call me, and if you did call me, I'm here, baby. Don't mean baby like that, by the way. I know how you get just figure of speech and what are you doing? No difference.
What's no different?
Don't worry.
What are you trying to smell?
Mum?
Did you sneeze?
So bad your breath thing.
Bless you. She's gone like the wind. It's right.
Lonely. I am lonely. I have nobody. I'm all on my own. We can't wait for talking to the food. Thank you, dear God, for the food you provide me, because now me I go talk in. Yeah.
Yo, Mumsy! Mumsy! Yo, what you eating there, Mumsy?
And seasoning.
Fun and joke aside, like what? How come I ain't got no food right here? Cause I'm kinda hungry and that food is looking nice, it's looking flavoursome.
No appetite.
To be honest with you, like if you don't want it, if you're losing your appetite like you're saying, yeah, I wouldn't mind some food for myself, but I don't mind that from you. Okay, cool. It's all good. Once that's him, bare weird still. It's like every time I come in, she goes out. That's him here.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Hey, mom, come play with me. Come have a game.
Alright.
Oh yes, finally you're here. Let's go, mom. Let's go.
Oh man, you're coming in now. Bring it. You can't wait. Why you stop cheat? Stop cheat.
Go your number. Let's go.
Right with me.
Bullet. What a goal. What a goal. Yes. Told you can.
No, mom, you can't take it no more. You can't take it no more.
Mom, we're in the middle of the game. Mom, what's going on? Mom? Mom?
What are you doing?
How's your teeth, man? Your mom. Stop. Right.
You just had to say it was my breath that was making you walk away.
Although, I must say, kind of tastes minty fresh now.
Smells good. Well, hell then. Thanks, Mom.
A few moments later.
want that sound. Pickled onions. No! Don't even think about it. Close the door. Close the door. Okay. Okay. Cause stink bread, boy.